Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all fine. Today I introduce dressing matching accessories. Perfectly coordinating accessories for every outfit. Elevate your wardrobe with accessories that perfect complements your style, from chic handbags and elegant scarves to statement jewelry and sophisticated shoes. Our curated collection ensure every piece harmonizes with your outfit. And whether you are dressing for a casual day out or a business meeting or a special day evening, these matching dresses add a touch of cohesion and effortless elegance to your look. Create a polished symbols. With ease of let your style speak for itself. The art of matching accessories that transform your look. Discover the secret to this truly cohesive outfit with accessory designed to match seamlessly through fully paired color, texture, and material of your jewelry, shoes, and handbags to enhance your overall appearance, making every simplest outfit feel extraordinary, perfect for perfection and authentical for who appreciate attention to detail. These accessories turn everyday dressing into an art of form. Chic and coordinating accessory for complete style statement, make a statement without staying backward. Matching accessory bring balance and sophistication to your attire, helping you achieve a style well through out of look for minimalistic elegance to bold accent over selection. Allow you to mix and match with confident every accessory is chosen to enhance your outfit, ensuring your personal style with the shine and head to toe. Elevate your outfit with the harmonious accessories. Accessories are not just extras; they are finishing touch that elevate any outfit. Coordinating piece like belt, jewelry, shoes, and handbag bring unity together, making your appear polished and confident is perfect for those who attention to detail. And these matching items help you effortlessly tie your look together, whether for everyday wear or special occasion. Seamlessly style coordinating accessory for a special occasion. Why settles for ordinary when you can achieve harmony in your look? Matching accessory transform your outfit into a cohesive and stylish. Choose a piece that complements your colors, texture, and pattern, creating a look that is both international and fashion forward. Ideal for both casual and formal events. These accessories help you present your best self with the confidence and flair. Effortless elegance with matching accessories. Step into style with accessories that complement every outfit, from matching handbags and shoes to coordinating jewelry and belts. These pieces create a harmonious look that elevates your wardrobe while for busy fashion lovers. They allow you to polish look and put together in moment, turning simple outfit into a statement defined taste. Accessories with confidence, perfect matching set, matching accessory give your outfit structure and style. Choose from carefully curated sets and earrings, bracelets, shoes, and handbags that enhance your outfit while add your unique personality. Whether you are for brunch or formal evening, these coordinating pieces help you dressing with intentions and sophistication, from ordinary to extraordinary. Coordinated accessories transform every clothing into extraordinary symbols with the accessories that match flawlessly through full color petals and complementary design. Ensure your jewelry, scarves, handbags, and shoes come together to create a polished and chic look. Make every outfit reflection of your personal style and attention to detail. Head to toe harmony accessory that speaks style. Achieve head to toe style effortless with accessories that are so fully paired, matching belts, bags, shoes, and jewelry. Bring balance and elegance to any outfit. Whether you prefer minimalistic chic or bold fashion statement, these pieces help you make a lasting impression with a cohesive, stylish look. The finishing touch of coordinating accessory for everyday look. Accessories are the secret to the perfectly finished outfit. Matching items create unity and fashion and elegance, training casual wear into a fashion statement, formal attire into a show-stopping symbols. With versatile pieces suitable for every occasion, you always have the perfect finishing touch at your fingertips. Smart dressing accessory with matching elegance take the guesswork out of styling your wardrobe. Matching accessory ensure that colors, textures, and your patterns complement each other seamlessly, from office wear to events. And these pieces helps you present a refined, confident appearance every day. Stylish symmetry accessory that complement your outfit. Create a sense of harmony in your wardrobe with accessory that match flawlessly, from coordinating jewelry to handbags and shoes. Each piece is designed to enhance your outfit without overpowering it. Perfect for those who appreciate attention to detail and sophisticated polish look. Coordinating chic every day, making outfit pop, matching accessory allow your outfit to shine in a cohesive way. Whether it's pop of color in your bag and a complementing pair of shoes matching jewelry, these pieces create a harmonious look that stand out, ideal for fashion-forward individuals who want to stylish and ease, polished and perfect accessories made with simple elevate your dressing game. Accessories that match effortlessly handbags, shoes, scarves, and jewelry are curated to complement one another, creating a cohesive and polished look. No matter that cohesion, these matters accessories give your order a sense of complementness and style, the power of matching accessory that transforms style. Accessory can make or break or outfit, and when they match perfectly, they transform your entire look. Careful coordinating items help you dress with attention, making every simplest outfit appear in chic well throughout, ideal for women who value elegance, balance, and sophistication in every aspect. Fashion harmonious accessory that bring it all together create a sense of style balance with accessory that match flawlessly. Coordinating handbags, shoes, scarves, and jewelry make every outfit feel intentional and chic, ideal for fashion lovers who appreciate and finer details. These pieces elevate your wardrobe with minimal effort. Effortless style, accessorizing with matching flair, step out with confidence, knowing your accessories are perfect in size, matching belts, bags, and jewelry. Simplify your outfit choices while making a sophisticated statement perfect for daily wear or special occasion. These accessories make style effortless. Cohesive look accessory that speak elegance. Matching accessory brightening bring unity to your wardrobe. Carefully paired colors, textures, and patterns make every outfit look polished and intentional. From cultural outfit to evening ensembles, these pieces enhance your style with grace and sophistication. Timeless coordinations, accessory for every occasion. Achieve timeless elegance with accessories that match seamlessly coordinated jewelry, shoes, and handbags create a unified look that is perfect for social gatherings and special events. Elevate your everyday wardrobe with piece designed to implement and one another effortlessly complete your look. Matching accessory makes simple. Accessories are just extras, they are the final touch that complements your outfit. Matching pieces ensure your elements and your symbols work in harmony from dress and belts to shoes and jewelry create a polished head to toe look with these stylish symphony city accessory in perfect match. When your accessories match your outfit, become instantly more stylish and bag shoes and jewelry designed to complement one another give you the confidence to step out looking put together perfect for those who value both fashion and coordinations. Harmonious style coordinating accessory for effortless shape. Bring harmony into your wardrobe with the accessory that perfectly coordinating each piece from elegant earrings to chic handbags is totally designed to complement the others. Enjoy a polished fashion forward look without spending hard stylish from head to toe. Matching accessory that accessories that match can transform an ordinary outfit into a stunning symbols. Coordinating your shoes, jewelry, and handbags to create a complete and stylish look, perfect for fashion essentials who love to make an impression. Polished perfection accessory that elevate your outfit. Elevate your wardrobe with accessories that are designed to match flawlessly coordinated pieces, bring cohesions to your outfit and allow you to dress stylishly for any occasions, perfect for achieving and a sophisticated and refined look. Effortlessly style in sign, matching accessory for modern fashion. Keep your look modern with accessory that coordinating perfectly handbag, shoes and jewelry in complementary color and styles ensure that your outfit always look truthful, curated ideal for women who love contemporary fashion with the polished edges, elegant and supple accessories at all together. Turn every outfit in a statement with accessories that match beautifully coordinating colors, textures, and design allow you to create a cohesive look with the ease. From everyday style to special occasion, these accessories are add to touch of elegance to your every symbol. Smart and stylish accessorizing for maximum impact. Matching accessories are the secret to a smart, stylish wardrobe when the shoes, bags, and jewelry complements each other. Your outfit look effortlessly curated, perfect for women who appreciate detail, quality, and a cohesive sense of style. Fashion unites accessories that create balance, achieve a sense of balance in your wardrobe with accessories that match perfectly coordinating pieces. Helps your outfit feel complete, polished, and intentional, making your piece fashion choice easier while boosting your confidence in compliments accessory for flawless look. Accessory can make or break an outfit, and matching piece ensure your look is always flawless. From handbags to jewelry, each item is designed to complement the others, resulting in a cohesive and stylish ensembles. Intentional style accessory with the matching confidence. Dress with purpose using accessories that coordinate beautifully matching shoes, bags, and jewelry bring your outfit together, effortlessly creating a sense of cohesion and elegance. Ideal for both everyday wear and special occasion. Accessory that define your style. Accessory and merely about matching, they are about creating a personal statements. With a carefully coordinating handbag, shoes, belts, and jewelry, your outfit transform into reflection of your personality, whether casual or formal. These accessories show that style, intentional, empowering, and portable by one coordinating accessory that elevate your look. Matching is just a beginning. These two fully paired accessories enhance your wardrobe, creating a harmony, balance, and visual interest. From subtle elegance to bold essence, each piece work together and elevate your look from ordinary to extraordinary, more than just fashion. Accessories that inspire confidence. Accessories aren't just about style, they are confidence booster, coordinating jewelry, handbags, and shoes allow you to express your vacation effortlessly. Step out knowing your outfit is polished, cohesive, and fully sync with your personal aesthetic. Step out knowing your outfit is polished, cohesive, and fully in sync with your personal aesthetic. Accessory as your signature statement. Accessory can be your signature, matching pieces, and sense of complementness. But real magic lies in how they are highlight your individuality, choose coordinated colors, texture, and design to create ensembles that feel uniquely yours. More than just accessory, a complete style experience. It's not just only about matching; it's about creating a curated fashion experience. These accessories transform simple outfit into complete assembles, harmonizing every detail from jewelry to shoes, elevate your style and make your look intentional more than just colors, coordinations, accessories that speak style, matching color is just the start. True styles comes from accessory that complements your outfit, texture, shape, and vibe, coordinating handbags and personality to every examples. Turning dressing into an art of form by one matching accessory that make every outfit for accessory do more than just match. They add dimension, personality, and flair. Carefully coordinating piece ensure your look is striking yet harmonious, turning heads with subtle elegance or bold sophistication depending on your mood and opinions. More than just details, accessories that transform your wardrobe. Accessories are the magic in every wardrobe. When thoroughly matched, they are create, unite, and elevate even the simplest outfit from casual chic to evening elegance. These pieces define what it means to dress, what is purpose. Accessories that tell a story. Every accessory can tell a story. Matching items create a cohesive narrative for your outfit, showcasing your attention to detail and style sensibilities, making your wardrobe expressive, polished, and unforgettable with pieces that harmonize perfectly. Accessory that reflects who you are. Accessory and just finishing touches. They reflect your taste, personalities, and confidence. Matching jewelry, shoes, belts, and handbags create a seamlessly intentional look and communicates showcation effortlessly. Complete your look with confidence as they do more than match. They create a polished head-to-toe symbols, coordinating handbags, shoes, jewelry, and belts turn everyday outfit into a soulful style statement. Elevate your wardrobe effortlessly and step out with confidence and everyday accessory that inspire elegance. Matching is just the beginning. These are accessory harmonized colors, textures, and designed to create a sophisticated, cohesive look perfect for those who want their style to reflect refinement, attention to detail, and timeless elegance more than just fashion. Accessory that speaks your personality. Accessory are an expression of you are. Matching jewelry, handbags, and shoes doesn't just complement your outfit, they highlight your individuality, helping you make statement without styling a word. More than just a look, accessory that define your style. Accessory transform outfit into a style statement, coordinated and ensure balance, cohesion, and visual appeal, giving every symbol the truthful polished finish perfect for everyday wear. Special occasion or professional statements. More than simple coordinating accessory for everyday occasion. Matching accessories are only the start. Each piece is designed to enhance your outfit overall aesthetic, create a harmonic from casual days to evening event, elevate your style with items that work together seamlessly. More than accessories, a statement of sophistication. Accessories are not just addition. Their finishing touch that speaks volumes, matching handbags, shoes, and jewelry elevate your symbols, giving every outfit a cohesive, sophisticated appearance. Accessory that last by one season, stylish accessories are timeless when you are thoughtfully managed handbags, jewelry, and shoes, designed to complement each other, ensure your wardrobe stays fresh, versatile, and effortless year after year. Accessory that enhance your outfit. True style is more than color coordination, matching texture, pattern, and shapes. Create depth and harmony in your look from subtlety to bold highlight. These accessories bring balance to every symbols. Accessories that transform style. Accessories elevate more than your outfit. They elevate your present, coordinating jewelry, shoes, handbag, and polish. Application and intentionally turning even simple attire into a complete fashion statement. Accessories that tie your wardrobe together. Matching accessories create unity across your wardrobe. Each item from shoes and belts to bags and jewelry work together to produce a cohesive, stylish look that's versatile, elegant, and memorable. Accessories that speaks volumes. Accessories aren't only about matching; they are about communicating your style, coordinating shoes, bags, belts, and jewelry. Turn everyday outfit into fashion statement, letting your personality shine effortlessly. Accessories that transform your look. Accessories elevate your wardrobe. Matching pieces unite your symbols, adding sophistication, flair, and polish. Every outfit becomes intentional and stylish, reflecting a well-thought-out aesthetic. Accessories that express your magic isn't an accessory or expression of individuality from subtle elegance to bold statement. Coordinating handbags, shoes, and jewelry allow you to showcase his personality, taste, and confidence in any look. Accessories that complete your accessory bring your outfit together, coordinating handbag, jewelry, and shoes. Simple symbols into cohesive polished look that feel truly intentional. Accessories that elevate everyday fashion. Everyday fashion can feel extraordinary with the right accessory. Matching pieces bring a sense of unity and elegance, turning casual outfit into thoughtfully curated stylish symbols. More than just color accessories that create harmony. Accessories are more than just matching color. They are balanced texture, pattern, and shapes, coordinating bags, shoes, and jewelry bring dimension, sophistication, and depth to every outfit. Accessories that inspire confidence. Accessories are powerful tools, matching pairs, create cohesions and polish, allowing you to present yourself with confidence, style, and elegance. At every occasion, accessory that tell your story. Your wardrobe tells a story, and matching accessory complete the narrative. Each coordinating item from shoes to jewelry helps express personality, creativity, and refinement. Accessories that make a statement. Accessory can define a look, coordinating piece simply your outfit adding sophistication, style, and a sense of intentionally that turns heads and create lasting impression. Modern style accessory that transform every dressing with matching accessory. Every dressing becomes effortless and refined. Handbag, shoes, and jewelry designed to complement one another and making simple outfit feel cohesive, polished, and stylish. Curated style for every occasion. Accessories are more than just items; they are carefully curated tools that enhance your outfit. Coordinating handbags, shoes, bags, and jewelry elevates everyday attire and make special occasion every effortlessly stylish. Accessories that highlight your personality. Matching is just a start. Accessories that complement each other also reflect your individuality from bold statement piece to subtle elegance. They help you express who are you through fashions. Accessories that define confidence. Accessories are just decorative, they are inspired, confident, coordinating pieces. Ensure that every outfit feels complete, polished, and intentional, letting you step out with elegance and insurance. Accessories that create visually harmony. Accessories do more than matching colors. They are bring balance to texture, shape, and styles. Coordinating shoes, handbags, and jewelry create a visually harmonious look that turns heads. Accessories that complete your look. Accessories and outfit together thoroughly match jewelry, handbags, and shoes transform simple symbols into polished, cohesive outfit that reflects style, attention to detail, and sophistication. Accessories that elevate everyday fashion. Your everyday wardrobe deserves elegance, matching accessory and cohesion, polish, and style, turning casual outfit into intentional fashion statement without Extra effort accessory that speak style accessory are more than additions. They are statement coordinating handbags, shoes, and jewelry create a vivid and stylish look, communicates sophistication and personality, style, taste. Accessory for modern elegance, matching pieces are just beginning. Accessory designs to complete each other brings modern elegance to your wardrobe, creating outfits that feel cohesive, polished, and intentional. Accessory that inspire creativity. Accessories allow you to play with style, coordinating items like jewelry, handbags, and shoes, giving you freedom to mix, match, and layer creativity while keeping your look cohesive and defined. More than just matching accessories that transform your wardrobe. Accessory can transform your wardrobe from ordinary to extraordinary. Coordinating piece unify and your outfit at shop occasion and ensure your style is consistently polished and one trend. Accessories that make you shine. Accessories do more than match. They highlight your individuality. Coordinating handbags, shoes, and jewelry ensure your outfit feel polished, elegant, and intentionally styled for any occasion. Accessory the secret to effortless style matching is one beginning. Truthfully paired accessory bring cohesion and harmony to every outfit, making everyday dressing effortless, stylish, and refined. Accessory that reflect your personality. Accessory are just decorative; they express who are you. Coordinating shoes, bags, and jewelry bring balance to your look while showcasing your personal taste and style more than just color. Accessories that elevate your outfit, matching color, simple but real style, comfort comes from true harmony. Accessories that complete texture, shape, and design, sophistication, and polish to any symbols. Accessories that complete every look, accessories, finish, and outfit. They don't just match it. Coordinating jewelry, bags, belts and shoes unify your wardrobe, making each symbol feel intentional, stylish, and polished. Accessories that boost confidence. Well chosen or coordinating accessory give you a sense of style and confidence. Matching piece elevate your outfit, ensuring you look polished, professional, and fashion forward wherever you go. More than just accessory, a statement of elegance. Accessories are extra, they are finishing touches that refine your style. Coordinated handbags, shoes, and jewelry turn simple outfit into sophisticated symbols that speaks volume. Accessories that transform every dressing. Even everyday outfit can feel extraordinary. Accessories that match perfectly bring harmony, balance, and style, transforming casual look polished and thoughtful assembles. More than just matching outfit, accessories that inspire style. Accessories create cohesion, harmony, and flair. Coordinating handbags, jewelry, and shoes allow your outfit look purposeful and stylish while reflecting your personality and taste. Accessories that make a lasting impression. Matching accessories elevate your wardrobe and from ordinary to extraordinary. Through coordinating piece helps you lasting impressions with a that feels polished and cohesive and polished, sophisticated. Accessories curated style for every outfit. Accessories do more than complements. They are create cohesive and intentional look. Coordinating handbags, shoes, belts, and jewelry help you put together symbols that feels polished, stylish, and effortless everyday wear. Accessory that reflect your confidence matching is only the start. Accessory that coordinate perfectly enhance your outfit while highlight your personality and self-assurance, giving a polished head to toe style. Accessory that speak volumes. Accessory are forms of self-expression, coordinating shoes, handbags, and jewelry elevate your outfit look, making even a simple outfit feel so elegant and attention-grabbing. Color coordination accessories that create harmony. Accessories go by when matching color. They are balanced texture, shape, and pattern. Coordinating piece create a harmony and sophistication, turning ordinary outfits into refined symbols. Accessories that complete every look. Accessories are just tradition; they are finishing touches. Coordinating handbag, jewelries, and shoes tie your outfit together, creating a sense of unity and polished style that noticeables everywhere where you go. More than matching accessories that elevate everyday style, everyday fashion deserves thoughtful accessory coordinating pieces add cohesion and sophistication, transforming casual attire into intentional, stylish and assembles that feels effortless. More than just jewelry, handbags, accessories that inspire elegance. Accessories are about more than matching; they are about enhancing your look with the refinement and coordinating handbags, shoes, and jewelry help you achieve a polished, stylish presence for every occasion. More than just an outfit, accessory that makes a statement. Accessory amplify your style, matching shoes, bags, and jewelry bring cohesion and intentionally to your outfit, allowing you to make a confident, stylish make statement where you go. Accessories that transform your wardrobe. Accessories have the power to define your wardrobe, coordinating pieces, create a unified, sophisticated look. That elevate your style, giving every outfit a polished, intentional finish. Accessories that reflect personality. Accessories are a reflection of you, matching handbags, shoes, belts, and jewelry. Create a balance and cohesive look and elegance, allowing you to personal style and shine with a confidence and sophistication. Accessories that perfectly complement your style. Accessories do more than coordinating, they elevate your overall look. Carefully selected handbags, shoes, jewelry, and belts bring harmony, sophistication, and polish to every outfit. More than accessories, a statement of timeless elegance, matching piece are just the beginning and accessories. They work together, effortless transform outfit into cohesive, stylish symbol that execute refinement and confidence. Accessories that define your fashion identify. Accessories express where you go. Coordinating handbags, shoes, and jewelry create a unified, intentional look, allowing your style and personality to shine with every outfit. Accessories that bring balance and harmony. Accessories do more than match, they harmonize texture, shape, and pattern, coordinating colors and style, and thoughtfully put together. Accessories that elevate everyday life. Accessories are just decorative, they enhance your daily wardrobe, coordinating shoes, bags, and jewelry transform casual outfit into polished, sophisticated symbols suitable for any occasion. The art of cohesion and style. Accessories complete your wardrobe. Matching item allow you to create a seamless look where every detail from jewelry to shoes works in harmony, reflecting intentionally and elegance more than just a matching. Accessories that inspire confidence. Accessories are tools for self-expression, coordinating handbags and belts, shoes, and jewelry not only elevate your outfit but also give you confidence to carry every look with a poise and style. Accessories that transform your look. Accessories have the power of refining your wardrobe through full match pieces, unify your attire, creating a polished intentional look that effortlessly style for settings. Accessories that make every outfit memorable. Accessories do more than match, they leave impression, coordinating handbags, shoes, and jewelry, and sophisticated questions make each symbols feel complete and tension grabbing. Accessories that complete your fashion vision. Accessories are finishing touch that ties your wardrobe. Matching piece bring unity, elegance, and polish, ensuring every outfit look intentional, refined, and practical, perfectly styled. More than just a matching accessory that refine your outfit, accessories do more than pair. They transform your look, coordinating handbags, shoes, jewelry, and belts, elevate even the simplest symbols into a polished, stylish statement. Timeless piece for everyday wardrobe. Matching is just the beginning. Accessories that harmonize with your outfit bring lasting elegance, ensuring your look defined, cohesive, and sophisticated. Accessories that express your personal style. Your wardrobe reflects you, and accessories tell your story. Coordinating jewelry, handbags, and shoes complete your symbols with a polished, intentional finish. Accessories that bring depth and balance. Accessories are more than colors. Coordinating, matching texture, shape, and pattern create a harmony, adding dimensions and sophistication to your entire outfit. Accessories that inspire everyday confidence. Accessories enhance modern style. They both confidence, coordinate shoes, handbags, and jewelry help you look and feel polished, elegant, and intentional every day. Accessories that elevate your look. Matching pieces are from foundations. But true style comes from accessories that complement your outfit. Every handbag, shoes, and piece of jewelry brings harmony, polish, and sophistication. Accessories that make a statement. Accessories as the finishing touch that commands attention, coordinating jewelry, shoes, and handbags. Elevate outfit, making every look stand out with elegance and purpose. Accessories that complement the picture. Accessories unify your symbols, matching belts, handbags, shoes, and jewelry create a cohesion, transforming ordinary outfits into thoughtful style polished symbols. Accessories that highlight your individuality. Accessories do more than match, they are reflect your personality. Style coordinating pieces allow you to showcase your unique style while keeping your look refined, balanced, and stylish. Accessories that elevate your everyday fashion. Accessories complete your wardrobe by adding cohesion and elegance, matching handbags, shoes, and jewelry ensure your outfit feel polished, intentional, and effortless stylish. Accessories are just extras, they define your look, matching handbags, shoes, and jewelry create harmony and elegance, helping every outfit feel thoughtfully crafted and stylish more than just a matching accessory that reflects sophistication. Accessories do more than coordinating, They elevate your wardrobe. Carefully paired pieces bring a polished, cohesive look. Accessories that transform everyday outfit. Even simple outfit can feel extraordinary with the right accessory. Coordinating shoes, handbags, bags, and jewelry add cohesion, sophistication, and a sense of intentional style. Accessory that elevate your look. Accessory bring depth and wardrobe. Matching colors, texture, and shape create a harmony and balance, turning ordinary outfit and elegant and refined symbols. Modern just fashion. Accessories that enhance confidence. Accessories don't just complement, they empower. Coordinating handbags, shoes, and jewelry help you look polished and confidence and feel confident, elevating our outfit effortlessly. Accessories that create a cohesion. Matching is just a start.